Hi. So now, it's kind of weird. I'm going to show you how to do some colors. A secret color. It's called light blue. Let's start with steps. First, click on your change your look. Okay, so this first you there's this where my mouse is, there's this purple in the corner. Click in the very bottom corner of it on the side, and you might get once in a while you'll get it. It's a little bit hard. There we go. You see, this is the color that I got. A while ago, people used to get this weird purple, but now it's light blue. And bye bye.